Welcome to our English Vocab listening channel. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy you're here today. Today, we're going to visit a lovely bakery and enjoy a simple, fun conversation. In this video, you will follow a story about two friends who discover a bakery and explore many kinds of bread. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please just relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English even more deeply. So here is today's question. What is the long, thin French bread called? The answer is mentioned in the conversation, so keep your ears open. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section below. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Sam, wait. Stop for a second.
What is it, Anna? Is something wrong?
No, nothing is wrong at all. But do you smell that?
I don't smell anything special.
Really? Something smells wonderful. Can you smell it now?
Oh, wait. Now I can smell it. You're right. It smells amazing.
It smells like bread. Warm, fresh bread.
Yes, it does. It smells like a bakery. Where is it coming from?
I'm not sure. Maybe from that direction? Let me look.
Oh, I see it. Look over there on the corner.
There's a bakery right there on that corner.
Oh, I see it now. It looks really nice and cozy.
It does look lovely. They must be baking fresh bread right now.
That explains why the air smells so good.
The smell is making me very hungry.
My stomach is telling me to go inside right away.
Mine too. I'm getting very hungry now.
You know, I didn't plan to visit a bakery today.
I didn't plan to come here either, but I can't leave now.
I agree. The smell is too good to ignore. Let's go. You're right. I can't walk past this. Let's go inside.
Yes, let's go. I really want to see what kind of bread they have.
Me too. I'm actually quite excited now.
Look at the window. Everything looks so warm and inviting.
Smiles. It was a lucky mistake to walk down this street.
Definitely. My hunger is growing every second.
Let's not wait any longer.
After you, Sam.
Let's see what treasures are inside this shop.
I hope they have something with chocolate.
Wow, Anna, look at all this bread.
I know. This bakery has so many different kinds.
I can see bread everywhere I look. It's beautiful.
I've never seen this many types of bread in one place before.
It's amazing, right? Each one looks so different from the others.
Yes, some are big, some are small, and some are very round.
Look at these. Some are very long and thin, too.
Everything looks so fresh and warm.
I don't even know where to look first.
Let's look at every shelf before we choose. What is this very long one here, Sam?
That is called a baguette.
A baguette. It looks like a long stick.
Yes, it's a famous type of French bread.
It looks very crunchy. How do you spell that word?
It is spelled B-A-G-U-E-T-T-E, baguette.
Oh, I see. Baguette. Is it popular in Europe?
Very. Baguettes are very popular in France and all over London, too.
That's interesting. It looks delicious and very traditional.
It's perfect for making a long sandwich or eating with soup. So what about this big round one? What is it called?
We call that a loaf of bread, Sam.
A loaf? That is a funny word.
Yes, we often say a loaf when we talk about a whole piece of bread like this one.
So when I buy bread at the supermarket, that big one is also a loaf.
That's exactly right. A loaf of bread.
I see. And you can slice it at home, right?
Yes, you can slice it to make toast for breakfast or sandwiches for lunch.
That makes sense. It looks very soft and heavy.
It's a classic. Every kitchen needs a good loaf of bread.
And what about this one? This one looks very interesting.
Oh, that's a croissant. It is shaped like a half moon.
A half moon? Oh yes, I can see the shape now.
It's a beautiful shape, isn't it? Croissants are very special.
What do they taste like inside?
They are very soft and light. They have a lot of butter, so they taste very buttery.
I've had croissants before. I love them. They are so good with a cup of coffee.
I agree. A croissant and coffee are a perfect match.
I want to get one. Actually, I want to get a lot of things.
Take your time, Sam. We are not in a hurry today.
Everything looks so good that I can't choose.
Look at everything first, and then you can decide.
Okay, I think I have decided what I want.
Great choice. I will get the tray for us.
This tray? What do I do next?
You put your favorite bread on the tray, but you need to use these.
Oh, what are these metal things called?
Those are tongs. You use the tongs to pick up the bread safely.
Tongs. They look a bit like big metal chopsticks.
Something like that. You open them, grab the bread, and move it to the tray.
Let me try. I will start with this golden croissant.
Go ahead, but try to be gentle. Don't press it too hard.
Concentrating. Like this? Oh no, it's harder than I thought.
Be careful. The croissant is a bit slippery.
It keeps moving. Nervously, I almost dropped it on the floor.
Don't worry. Just grab it a little more firmly.
I know. It's so round and soft that it won't stay still.
Try again. Hold the tongs like this. See? Open them wide and then close them.
Okay, let me try one more time. Open, close.
Clapping. You got it. You did it, Sam.
I finally did it. Now let me put it on the tray very carefully.
You looked so serious just now. You were really focused.
I was very serious. I really didn't want to drop this beautiful bread. Anna, look over here. Look at this special corner.
Oh, this is the sweetbread section. I love this part of the bakery.
Everything looks so colorful, and it smells like sugar and chocolate.
It really does. So what looks good to you in this section?
This one, look, this bread has real chocolate inside.
I can see the chocolate from here. That's called chocolate bread.
It looks delicious. Is it a popular choice?
Yes, it is one of the most popular items at bakeries like this.
Dreamily, warm chocolate inside fresh bread? That sounds amazing.
It truly is. It's like a little gift inside the bread. And look at the bread right next to it. That one has cream inside.
Cream bread. I like cream just as much as chocolate.
The cream looks so thick and smooth, doesn't it?
It does. It looks like it would go really well with the soft bread.
I think I want both. I want the chocolate one and the cream one.
You should also look at this one, Sam. This is a kind of pastry.
Oh, see how the outside is golden and flaky?
A pastry. Yes, I can see it. It looks so crispy and beautiful.
It looks like a little piece of art, and it tastes as good as it looks, believe me.
Okay, that's it. I'm getting the chocolate bread, the cream bread, and the pastry.
Laughs. Wait, that's 4 things now. Didn't you say you only wanted one?
I know, but they all look so good that I couldn't stop myself.
You always do this, Sam. You always buy more than you planned.
I can't help it. It's not my fault. It's the bakery's fault for being too good.
Hi there. Welcome to our bakery. Is that everything for today?
Yes, I think so. Oh, wait. Can I also have one more chocolate bread, please?
Of course. One extra chocolate bread. Let me check your tray. You have one croissant, one chocolate bread, one cream bread, and one pastry, plus the extra chocolate bread. Is that right?
Yes, that's exactly right.
Great! So that's one croissant, two chocolate breads, one cream bread, and one pastry. Is this for here or to go?
To go, please. We are going to find a nice place to eat outside.
Perfect. Your total comes to $14, please.
$14. Okay, here you go.
Thank you very much. Here is your change and your bag with all the treats inside.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy your bread, and please come again soon.
So, how did it go? Did you get everything you wanted?
Yes, I got everything. Look at all this bread in the bag.
One croissant, two chocolate breads, one cream bread, and one pastry. That's a lot of bread.
I can't wait any longer. Let's eat some right now.
Me neither. The bread is still warm from the oven. Let's try the croissant first.
Oh my, this is so good, Sam. This is really, really good.
Right? It's delicious. It's so soft inside.
The inside is light and soft like a cloud, and the outside is so crispy.
I love the crispy outside. You can actually hear it when you bite into it.
Yes, crispy outside, soft inside. It's perfect. This is the best croissant I've ever had.
Now you have to try the chocolate bread, Hannah. I want to know how it tastes.
Okay, let me try a piece. The chocolate inside is so warm and soft.
Is it good? It looks like it's melting.
It is. It's melting in my mouth. This is honestly amazing, Sam.
That sounds so good. Can I try a little bit of yours?
Of course. Here, have some. I have 2 chocolate breads anyway.
Taking a bite. Wow, you're right. The chocolate is so warm and smooth.
Happily. See? Fresh bread from a real bakery is so different from the store.
It really is. It's so much better when it's fresh. You're right. Fresh is always best.
Happily. I'm so glad we stopped here today. It was a great idea.
It was the best idea of the day. I'm really happy we came here together.
That was so good, Sam. I really, really love this bakery.
Me too. Everything was delicious. The bread was fresh and the pastry was amazing.
The chocolate bread was my favorite. The warm chocolate inside was so sweet.
I liked the cream bread the most. The cream was so smooth and light.
I want to come back again very soon. How about next weekend?
Next weekend? That's a great idea. We can try something new next time.
That's true. I didn't try the baguette today. I want to try that next time.
Good choice. And next time, I'll be much better with the tongs. I won't drop the bread.
You'll be a pro with the tongs by next time. I'm sure of it.
Thanks, Sam. Today was really fun, and I learned a lot of new words, too.
Oh, you're right. Let me think. What new words do you remember?
Well, bakery is the shop, and a loaf is the whole piece of bread.
Very good. Anything else?
Baguette is the long French bread, and croissant is the one shaped like a half moon.
Perfect. And don't forget the tongs for picking up the bread and the tray to hold it.
And to go means we take our food with us to eat outside.
You remembered everything. I think delicious food helps you study English.
Is that so? Then we should visit more bakeries for my studies very often.
How was the story? I hope this visit to the London bakery helped you improve your English today. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the long, thin French bread called? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section below. Practicing your English by writing like this is a great way to learn more efficiently. In today's video, you learned many useful words like bakery, loaf, baguette, croissant, pastry, tongs, and tray. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help you learn naturally and comfortably. I will keep uploading more videos like this, so if you enjoyed our London adventure, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a friendly comment. We also offer channel memberships if you would like to support us even more. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye-bye.